At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a luxury fashion brand requires a combination of creativity, business acumen, and a solid understanding of the luxury market. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the luxury fashion market, including consumer preferences, emerging trends, and competitors. Identify your target audience and niche within the luxury segment. 2. Develop your brand identity. Define your brand's unique selling proposition, USP, brand values, and aesthetics. Your brand identity should resonate with your target audience and differentiate you from competitors. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, marketing strategies, operational plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide your decisions and attract potential investors or partners. 4. Design your products. Develop high-quality, distinctive designs that reflect your brand's identity and cater to your target audience's preferences. Consider collaborating with experienced designers or hiring a talented design team if needed. 5. Source quality materials and suppliers. Invest in premium materials and craftsmanship to ensure the quality and exclusivity of your products. Build relationships with reliable suppliers who can consistently deliver materials that meet your standards. 6. Establish your brand's online presence. Create a professional website and utilize social media platforms to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and build brand awareness. Invest in professional photography and content creation to highlight the luxury aspects of your brand. 7. Focus on branding and marketing. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your brand across various channels, including digital advertising, influencer partnerships, and fashion events. Emphasize the exclusivity, craftsmanship, and luxury experience associated with your brand. 8. Build distribution channels. Determine the best distribution channels for your products, whether it's through your own flagship stores, luxury department stores, boutiques, or e-commerce platforms. Prioritize channels that align with your brand image and target audience. 9. Provide exceptional customer experience. Deliver exceptional customer service and personalized experiences to cultivate loyalty and enhance the perceived value of your brand. Pay attention to every touchpoint, from the shopping experience to post-purchase support. 10. Manage finances effectively. Keep track of your finances and budget wisely to ensure sustainable growth. Monitor expenses, manage inventory efficiently, and seek funding options if needed to support expansion plans. 11. Stay innovative and adaptive. Continuously innovate and adapt to changing market trends and consumer preferences. Keep refining your products, marketing strategies, and customer experiences to stay relevant and competitive in the luxury fashion industry. Starting a luxury fashion brand is a challenging endeavor that requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. By following these steps and staying true to your brand's vision, you can build a successful and prestigious fashion brand over time. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.